Hello darlings and welcome back to my channel. I definitely don't recommend the shoes that I got. I have been on the hunt for the perfect summer shoe and I thought I found it like a month ago when I was in Bulgaria, and I'm gonna show you the clip of the shoes that I got from Dune London, and they gave me the worst blisters ever, and I still actually have the wounds at the moment. They are still not fully healed, and I gave them a chance few times and it got worse every single time, and at the end even the sole started ungluing, so I had to return them. And thank God that I did. They gave me a full refund, which I am very grateful for because they weren't good at all. And actually they are the third pair of Dune shoes that I'm wearing that are very uncomfortable. Like, first when you try them on they do feel very comfortable, like they are gonna be very soft and nice, and after like half an hour of you wearing it you get like the worst blisters, but you have to go outside. You cannot like feel it when you're home. And I definitely don't recommend the shoes that I got. I'm gonna link them down below just so you know like not to buy it. I'll put it in like braces or something. So like I said, I have been on the hunt for the perfect summer shoe, and I think Vagabond is gonna have the right answer to that. And I have three pairs that I wanna try in front of you because they are very similar but very different at the same time, and I'm not sure which ones to pick, and I would be very grateful if you can help me out with this. If you can write down in the comments which shoe do you prefer. They are all very comfortable because I already tried them on, but now I'm gonna show you how they look as well. They are three different styles, and like I said, very comfortable. They're leather shoes, so they're here to stay. And I am looking for something that's, even if it's a little bit more pricier, that I can wear again and again, because I don't really like buying new summer shoes because I don't change my summer shoe style or anything. I don't need like anything fancy. I need something sturdy that I can wear for at least like 2-3 years. Before we start, if you are new here, I would love it if you can subscribe to my channel, and also if you can help me out decide which pair of shoes I should keep. So leave a comment with the ones that you are more drawn to or the ones that suit me more, and yeah, let's just start on with the video. So let's first start with unboxing them and showing you what I got, and then I'm gonna try them on for you and talk a little bit more about them. So the first pair of shoes I got are those very cute sliders. They are in a color that's like light blue, and they are very cute. They look like they're gonna be very comfortable, and a bit of a spoiler, but yes, they are very comfortable as well. The leather is actually like very soft, so I don't think they're gonna give me any blisters, which is very nice. I really like how the sole dips on the inside, so like it's gonna have like an actual place for my foot. The sole is actually not that big, it's like 1.5 centimeters too, which is gonna give you a little bit of height, but not too much if you don't want anything excessive. You can see the Vagabond on the sole, and that's like what it is underneath the sole. So like I said, they're very cute, very summery. The one thing that I don't like about these shoes is that the color is gonna match with almost everything in my closet, but it's still almost, it's not gonna go with everything, which I would like from a summer shoe. They were actually very discounted on Zalando, and it's the cheapest pair of the three that I'm gonna show you. However, I will leave few variations of the same type of shoes down in the description box, as they are more discounted on one website and less on the other, but one of them has like one sizes and the other one different ones. So I'll just link everything down in the box below if you're curious to get yourself a pair as well. Get on with the second pair of shoes. So that's the second pair that I was wondering about, and they are almost the same as the blue ones. However, as you can see, it has like the thingy for in the middle, in between the toes. I don't know how it's called. You're gonna have to excuse me for this, but yeah, they are very stylish, very nice. I think they are a little bit more casual than the blue ones. just because of like that part, because it's like mostly associated with flip-flops, I think, but it's still very classy, very nice. They're again leather. I do prefer this color a little bit more. Actually, the blue ones, you can find them in this color as well, and I'm gonna insert a clip because I actually tried on the beige ones in Edinburgh. If you haven't seen my vlog, I'll link it over here somewhere. But yeah, so this is the other version from the Vagabond shoes, and they're again very cute, so they're again very comfortable. The actual sole is exactly the same, I think, so it is again like 1.5 to 2 centimeters. At the bottom it is the same as the blue ones, so everything is basically the same apart from the style of the upper thingy of the shoe, because this one has like in the middle of the toe. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you now how it looks on my feet.
No one has to know, I'll keep your secret safe. Babe, I can feel your power, I can feel your power.
Now that I've tried on these shoes again, I just wanted to tell you that actually I have very wide feet, and it's like not painful, but I think it's gonna be a little bit like a discomfort because my feet are actually wider over here, and when I'm walking my little toe just go like overboard, so it goes like outside of like the shoe, which I think it's gonna be very uncomfortable, so I don't think I'm gonna be keeping this one. And now the last pair, which actually I think it might be my favorite, but it's something that's a little bit more it's not so typical for me, so let's unbox it. So these ones might be my favorite. I actually didn't order my size because they didn't have it, but I really wanted to try it on because it looks like they're gonna be a little bit more stiff, because like this part over here is like very hard, so I wasn't sure how exactly I'm gonna walk in them. But let me tell you, when I try them on, they are the softest thing ever, and actually I think they are the most comfortable of all 3 pairs of shoes. So the actual sole of the shoes is, like you can see, a bit thicker than the rest of them. I think it's 5 centimeters, which is gonna give you a little bit of height, so if you're a shorty like me, it's gonna be perfect to elevate you a bit, to give you that extra 5 centimeters. So I'm gonna be 165 centimeters with them. But yeah, they are very cute, and they're a color that's gonna match with everything in my closet. They are very comfortable, like I said. If you can see the sole on them, it's like very squishy material. Like if you can see, it's very squishy and it's very comfortable, and when you step, like when you wear them, it feels like you're on a cloud, which is very nice. So yeah, I really like this style. I don't know if it's my style, that's why I wanted to try them on, and I actually ordered all 3 just to try them on and see which one I prefer, and I'm gonna keep like one of them. But yeah, Vagabond doesn't actually have like a physical store, at least not in Glasgow, and I really wanted to try on the shoes before I ordered like one type, and yeah, that's why I ordered from Zalando, and it was very quick and easy, and I'm gonna choose one pair and return the other 2. So yeah, that's about this shoe, and now I'm gonna show you how they look on. Wanted to quickly add that these shoes, they give me like major Bratz vibes, and they're actually very nice, and they are the most comfortable of the 3 of them, I think, and the most expensive, of course. So darlings, that was everything for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video as well, and I would very much appreciate it if you can subscribe to my channel, and also let me know which pair was your favorite. Would you recommend Vagabond shoes if you've had any previously? Because I would really like some feedback. I don't know which one is my favorite, maybe the platforms, but I'm not too sure. Oh, and about the green Zara set that I posted in one of my videos, I'll link it somewhere over here, where I asked you to tell me if you like the green set and if I should keep it. Well, I decided to go half-half, so I kept the shirt and I returned the pants because I don't think I'm gonna wear the full-on outfit, but the shirt is very nice when I pair it with some of my other bottoms. So yeah, I just want to let you know what I chose at the end. So you were very helpful with your feedback, so thank you very much if you commented. And yeah, sending you lots of hugs and kisses, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!